Enoki mushrooms are stuffed inside mini sweet peppers. Then they are pan-fried until aromatic and topped with a savory brown sauce.
I absolutely love it. Stay tuned for the next 3 minutes. You won't regret it.
Here we have some mini sweet peppers. They are sweet, colorful peppers that are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They are available in most grocery stores all year round. Cut off the ends of each mini sweet pepper and remove the seeds. You can also replace them with other types of peppers. Do the same with the rest. Here we have some Enoki mushrooms. They are one of my favorite mushrooms. They are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are available in most Asian grocery stores all year round. Cut off the end of Enoki mushrooms. Stuff some Enoki mushrooms in each mini sweet pepper. Do the same with the rest. In a bowl, add the vegetable stock. You can also replace it with water, soy sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Whisk. In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil. You can also use other high smoking point oil. And place the enoki stuffed sweet peppers inside. Pan fry until lightly brown for about 1 minute. Flip, pan fry for another 1 minute. Add the garlic and the sauce. Turn to low heat. Cover the lid and simmer for about 5 minutes. At the end of this episode, I like to share with you my favorite show of all time, Shen Yun Performing Arts. They revived 5,000 years of traditional Chinese culture with stories and legends. They are touring all around the world starting this December. So remember to check out their tickets at shenyun.org. Happy cooking and enjoy!
The mini sweet pepper is slightly sweet and it pairs perfectly with the savory enoki mushrooms. I love it. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. Also, if you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!